little bit about your carrier here.
Yeah, well, this one's one that I've had about 10 years, I guess. About 10 years. It came from Papakura. Can't recall the fella that had it. But it's a little bit different than the others. It's actually got a 308 Holden in it.
Oh, okay.
With an automatic gearbox on the back. And when everything's going right, it's pretty good fun to drive. And one of the good things about it is anybody can drive it because they don't have to worry about making a lot of noise with the gears. Yeah, so we pulled it, refurbished it again. We took it apart and it wasn't really put together all that well, so we rebuilt it and did a lot of mods to it as well, because it's a little bit different in the engine compartment than the standard old Ford V8.
Yeah.
Had a lot of fun with it.
So do you know anything about the military history of this particular machine at all?
No, the only thing I found out today was somebody said that it could have been on a film set because of the colour of it, and one of the other chaps from the Waikato's got a GMC and they were painted similar colours.
Okay.
I repainted it this colour because it was a colour that I sort of got attached to and liked, so I thought it was a little bit different than the other, so I've painted my Chev cargo the same colour as well. Yeah, we've had a lot of fun with it. It hasn't really let us down into any bad degree.
So the Holden engine, I mean, was that just you decided to do that, or something?
No, that was in it actually.
That was already in
it when I got it. And,
okay.
And he didn't have it fitted up too well, so I took it all out and we refitted it. And,
okay.
And well, I don't say we've got it right either, because we're having a job keeping it cool enough. It gets pretty hot.
So it was, relatively speaking, it was a runner when you bought it.
Yep. It was just minus all the guards and the air scoop wasn't made properly, so we made all that.
Right.
And the engine cowling we had to rebuild because it's different to the original ones because of the overhead valve. But yeah, we've had a lot of fun on it. A lot of people have enjoyed having the flat round paddocks with it.
And you obviously managed to get around the track all right this afternoon?
Yeah, no, it went well. I still got a bit of steering trouble with this one. It seems to be getting a little bit worse for some reason. We have a job to get it to turn. But yeah, other than that, no, we've had a lot of fun, learned a lot about things and having one.
Yeah.
But yeah, no,
all right.
Pretty good.
Graeme, thank you very much.
Okay.
I'm Tony Haycock. If you've enjoyed watching this video and would like to help support the Historical Aviation Film Unit, please hit the join button now. If you've already done so and you've come along with us for the ride, we really appreciate this. It helps us bring more of these videos to you and it's greatly appreciated.